Histology is the study of microscopic tissues and cells in animals and plants. It examines their structure, function, and organization using a microscope. This field is essential in medicine and biology, helping to diagnose diseases, understand organ function, and conduct research on how tissues develop and respond to different conditions. An allergist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating allergies, asthma, and immune system disorders. They identify triggers like pollen, food, or pet dander and provide treatments such as medications or immunotherapy. Allergists help patients manage symptoms and improve their quality of life by preventing allergic reactions. A pandemic is a global outbreak of a disease affecting a large population across multiple countries. It spreads rapidly, often caused by viruses like influenza or COVID-19. Pandemics require coordinated health responses, including vaccinations, travel restrictions, and public health measures to control transmission and minimize impact on societies and economies. An epidemic is a sudden outbreak of a disease that spreads rapidly within a specific region or population. It affects more people than expected in a short time. Epidemics can be caused by viruses, bacteria, or other pathogens, and often require public health measures to control and prevent further spread. Aplasia is the failure of an organ or tissue to develop properly. It can be congenital or acquired due to disease, radiation, or other factors. Common types include bone marrow aplasia, which affects blood cell production. Aplasia can lead to severe health issues, requiring medical intervention or supportive treatments. An endemic is a disease or condition consistently present in a specific region or population. Unlike epidemics, it remains stable over time without widespread outbreaks. Examples include malaria in certain tropical areas. Endemics require ongoing public health efforts to manage and prevent excessive spread within affected communities. Endothelium is a thin layer of cells lining blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, and the heart. It regulates blood flow, controls vessel permeability, and supports immune function. The endothelium also plays a key role in blood clotting and inflammation, making it essential for cardiovascular health and overall bodily function. Epithelial refers to cells that form the protective outer layer of the body and line internal organs, blood vessels, and cavities. Epithelial tissue functions in protection, absorption, secretion, and sensation. It is classified into different types such as squamous, cuboidal, and columnar, based on cell shape and function. A dermatologist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating skin, hair, and nail conditions. They manage issues like acne, eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancer. Dermatologists perform medical, surgical, and cosmetic procedures to improve skin health and appearance, using treatments like medications, lasers, and biopsies for accurate diagnosis. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor specializing in diagnosing, treating, and preventing mental health disorders. They manage conditions like depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. Psychiatrists prescribe medications, provide psychotherapy, and offer treatment plans to help patients manage their mental health and improve overall well-being. A gastroenterologist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating disorders of the digestive system, including the stomach, intestines, liver, and pancreas. They manage conditions like acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, and liver diseases. Gastroenterologists perform procedures like endoscopies to examine the digestive tract and provide treatment plans. Cytology is the study of cells, including their structure, function, and behavior. It involves examining individual cells to diagnose diseases like cancer, infections, and genetic disorders. Cytology techniques such as Pap smears and biopsy analysis help identify abnormal cell changes early, contributing to effective diagnosis and treatment. Pathology is the study of diseases, focusing on their causes, development, and effects on the body. Pathologists examine tissues, organs, and bodily fluids to diagnose conditions like cancer, infections, and autoimmune disorders. They play a crucial role in determining the nature of diseases and guiding treatment decisions for patients. Contaminated refers to something that is polluted or tainted by harmful substances, such as bacteria, chemicals, or toxins. It can apply to food, water, air, or surfaces that have been exposed to infectious agents or pollutants. Contamination can lead to health risks and requires cleaning or decontamination to ensure safety. A cardiologist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating heart and blood vessel conditions. They manage diseases like heart attacks, hypertension, and arrhythmias. Cardiologists perform tests such as ECGs, echocardiograms, and stress tests to assess heart function and develop treatment plans, including medications or procedures like stent placement. Etiology is the study of the causes or origins of diseases and medical conditions. It examines factors like infections, genetics, environmental influences, and lifestyle that contribute to the development of a disease. Understanding etiology helps in diagnosing, preventing, and developing effective treatments for various health conditions. Adipose refers to fat tissue in the body, which stores energy, insulates organs, and helps cushion and protect them. It is found beneath the skin and around internal organs. Adipose tissue plays a key role in regulating metabolism and hormone production, influencing overall health and weight management. The nucleus is the central, membrane-bound organelle in eukaryotic cells that contains the cell's genetic material, DNA. It controls cell activities such as growth, reproduction, and metabolism by regulating gene expression. The nucleus is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the cell's genetic information and coordinating cellular functions. Nosocomial refers to infections acquired in a hospital or healthcare setting. These infections, also known as hospital-acquired infections, HAIs, can result from surgery, medical procedures, or prolonged stays in healthcare facilities. Nosocomial infections are often caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi and require prompt treatment to prevent complications. A neurologist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating disorders of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. They manage conditions like epilepsy, stroke, migraines, and Parkinson's disease. Neurologists use tests like MRIs and EEGs to assess neurological function and develop treatment plans for patients.